Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're stopping by for the first time, it's good to have you. You're welcome. Thank you for coming. Now if you've not subscribed, I want you to do one thing. Look down below, there's a red subscribe button, click on it, and when you do, be sure to turn on post notification by clicking on the bell. That way you always get notified each time I upload new videos. Now go ahead and do that. I just want to say thank you to all of you for the love and the support. You know, the comments I got on my last video talking about the plight of children in IDP camps. I sincerely appreciate every one of you who shared the video, who dropped a comment, who watched, and most importantly for everyone who made a donation, because that's the purpose of the video anyway. Today I'm doing a chit chat, get ready with me, so I'll be talking with you guys while I put on my makeup on something that has been on my mind in the past few days. So without much talk, let's get into it. So I just grabbed my spoolie and I'll be using it to comb my brows to, fill them in. So how have you guys been? What's been happening? For me, I've been fine, and I'm really grateful for everything and where I am at the moment, and just been doing a lot of reflections and just being grateful for a whole lot of things, You know how sometimes you just sit back and try to reflect on some certain things, and just deep down within you are so grateful for all that has happened, and you look back at how far you've come and you're just grateful for everything. So I had a sort of moment of reflection a few days ago, and what really triggered this was I was sort of just scrolling through my phone, It's difficult doing this and talking at the same time, so I'm trying to concentrate and get it done before we continue with the gist. Oh no, guys, power just got interrupted and there's so much noise all over the place. You can barely hear me if I keep talking and applying my makeup like I set out earlier to do a chit chat, get ready with me. So I've decided to silently record me making up and then record a voiceover just explaining to you guys why the whole concept has suddenly changed. I'm sorry, I'm sure you guys will be wondering whatever happened to this story. So that's what has happened. So much noise all over the place, you would barely hear me if I keep talking. So I've resolved to bring you guys a sequel, and that's a promise. I'm going to do a sequel to this video, and in that sequel I'm going to tell you guys the story I had set out initially to tell you guys that has been hindered. So keep your fingers crossed, keep it locked down here as usual, and anticipate. I would have gone ahead to bring you the story recorded like this, but I felt it wouldn't be as interesting as when I do a video talking face to face with you guys and you see my gesticulations. I think that would be more interesting. So I decided to do you guys a separate video telling you that story, because that story is what has been on my mind for the past few days, and I feel so strongly to share it with you guys. So like I said, anticipate, keep it locked down here as usual, and I'll bring you that sequel. Anyone excited about that? If you're excited, let me see your yes in the comment section. Let me see your yes. So that's a promise. So I'm going ahead to do my makeup now. I've done my eyebrows and now I'm on my eyeshadow. I've applied my eyeshadow primer and I'm applying my colors now. I've just applied the eyelid color, this grain, and then going on ahead now to clean up the crease area with the crease color I had earlier applied using this blending brush, just working it in. Now I'm going ahead to prime my face with my with my Smashbox Photo Finish primer, just to set my face, get it ready for the foundation I'm going to apply. This prepares the skin and helps the foundation to blend more easily and to last on longer. I'm using the Revlon Airbrush foundation. I'll list it in the description box as usual for you guys, so go ahead now to check it. I'm blending it in with my flat foundation brush. This foundation seems a little bit ashy, but I don't know why. This has been my foundation, but I guess something somehow somewhere is changing, which I really don't know what it is. And I'm using a beauty blender to soak up excess product and then to blend everything in nicely. I'm going on ahead now to highlight my face using my Early Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn. Highlighting under my eyes, my forehead, the bridge of my nose, my chin, and my cupid's bow. Just blend everything together as usual. You guys, you know all the processes by now because I do this in almost all my makeup videos. And I'll contour with my Opal Black Opal Stick Foundation in the shade Hazelnut. Contour my forehead, hollows of my cheeks, and then the sides of my nose, and blend everything together. You want to take your time to blend everything together and make sure everything blends in nicely. As I'm using my beauty blender. Guys, you need to get yourself a beauty blender if you don't have one, because it's very important. Now I'm setting my highlights using the same beauty blender under my eyes, the bridge of my nose, just everywhere you've highlighted. You go ahead to set it. This helps it to stay in place and to not crease. I'm applying it to my smile lines as well, and then dusting off the excess using this small angled brush. I'm setting my entire face with my Maybelline all-in-one powder in the shade Toffee. You guys know these things by now. My powder, you know the powder I use. Like, I use it every day, and that's because I love it, and that's because that's also the only powder I have. So yeah, now I'm applying my false eyelashes because I'm using the black eyelash glue. You can see some of the glue smearing over my eyeshadow, but it's okay to make mistakes. I'll go on over it later with the same eyeshadow and clean up, you know, all the mess. And I'm highlighting my face with my classic highlighter using the same angled brush I used to dust off the excess setting powder. I'm going for a bronzed up look, so this highlighter is quite bronzy and it gives me the kind of look I want at the end of the day. I'm lining my waterline. Guys, the way my face appears when I'm lining my eyes seems so very funny. Like, I don't know why I do my face like this, but it's usually so funny. Hope you guys don't laugh at me. And now I'm going ahead to apply my lipstick. Guys, I don't know the name of this thing. I think it's written on it Kiss Baby or so. I don't know if it's a lipstick or an eyeliner, but I'm using it as a lipstick. Yes. And now I'm setting my face with my Urban Decay all-in-one setting. With my Urban Decay setting spray. And this is a finished look, guys. How do I look? All bronzed up, baby girl. How do I look? Now see me channeling my inner model face. Whoa. Now if you've loved this video, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up, share, drop me a comment. You know, do all the good things. You know them, do all the good things. See you in my next video. Bye.